morning student, myself Bina Tripathi. Welcome to your online class. See student, this is your environmental studies part 1 textbook standard 5. And today I am going to explain you in science chapter 25 community health and hygiene. See students, previous chapter 24 we have learned substance, objects and energy. And in this chapter we are going to learn about that community health and hygiene. Read and discuss. See students, that is totally cancel. I mark with pencil. No need to read this. Read and discuss. Community health, nutritious food, personal hygiene, exercise, and pursuits of hobbies lead to excellent health and good personal development. Just as we take care of our own health, we must make efforts to ensure good health for all. See students, that means we have to eat nutritious food. And personal hygiene, exercise and pursuit of hobbies leads to excellent health and good personal development. Just as we take care of our own health, we must make efforts to ensure good health for all. That means each and every person have the good health. Everyone in our society should be able to live the kind of tension-free and happy life. And that means in our society, each and every people should live tension-free and happy life that we wish to for ourselves. Good community health and hygiene can be achieved through habits of cleanliness and good health on the part of all individuals in a community. And say students, hygiene means what? Cleanliness. Good community health and hygiene can be achieved through habits of cleanliness and good health on the part of all individuals in a community. Pollution, squalor, epidemic of infectious disease, addictions, insect-borne diseases are all threats to community health. That means pollution, squalor, epidemic of infectious diseases, addictions, insect-borne diseases are all threats to community health. To nurture community health is to protect the general public from such diseases and to make a happy and healthy life possible for all. And see students, to nurture community health is to protect the general public for such diseases and to make a happy and healthy life possible for all. Importance of community health. See students, the people of a country are the most important factors in a country's progress and development. Their health can be protected if they have a clean environment, nutritious food, safe drinking water, and good medical facilities. Mass media are used under community welfare programs to educate people about issues, means problems such as taking care of drinking water and food. See students, that means the country can progress and develop only through the people. Yes, so the country can progress and develop only through the people. Therefore, people are the most important factors. So see students, clean environment, nutritious food, safe drinking water and good medical facilities can protect the health of the people. And under community welfare programs, mass media are used to educate people. That means they play very important role. That means students, welfare programs, mass media play very important role, are used to educate people about issues such as taking care of drinking water and food. Okay, people are urged in every possible way to keep their surrounding clean. So it is a legal offense to spit in a public place. The aim of this ban is to prevent the spread of disease. As students, not to spit in a public place. So it is a legal offense to spit in public place. The aim of this ban is to prevent the spread of disease. What are the threats to the health of the community? See students, that means what are the threats to the health of the community? There are several threats to community health. An important threat is carelessness regarding hygiene from the actions given below. Mark those that are harmful with a cross and write the explanation in your notebook. That means which is wrong, make that wrong, and which is right, we can make the right. Burning old tires, it is wrong students. Spitting anywhere on the road, it is good? No, it is bad. So that also wrong. Using public toilets, that is right. Looking after domestic animals, yes, you have to take care of domestic animals, that is also right. Following doctor's instructions in cases of infectious disease, that is also correct, right. Washing your hands before a meal or snacks, that is also correct, right. Throwing the garbage from your house onto the road, that is wrong, that is wrong, okay, that is bad habits. Speak and write. Some important factors that are harmful for community health are mentioned below. See students, for example, polluted water. That means some important factors that are harmful for the community health are mentioned below. And for example, polluted water. That means polluted water is harmful to each and every person. Malnutrition, etc. How each of these factors harmful community health is given in the first box in front of it. Some suggested remedies are mentioned in the next box. Add other ill effects and remedies to the respective box. That means you have to do this, it is activity based students. So if you have to do this, it is your homework. That means polluted water, cholera, safe water supply. That means malnutrition is a higher numbers of child death, and the body also not having the proper growth. Yes, nutritious diet, pollution. That pollution will be danger to the environment, and we have to protecting the environment. So next one you have to add that and give your suggestion. Ignorance and superstition means operation, deceptions, scientific tempers. Addictions, unhappy family life. If anybody was have any addictions, then what happen that unhappy family life will be there. And next you have to give a suggestion. And de-addictions programs. So you have to do this as your homework, students. Wholesome living. If we take care of our health, it is possible for us to lead a wholesome life. Keeping ourselves happy and taking an interest in things, avoiding feelings of hatred and envy, and doing what is necessary to maintain physical health help us to achieve this end. If people of a society live a healthy and wholesome life, social tension also decrease and feeling of friendship can be nurtured. And we students, so we have to take care of our health, and this way students, if we take care of our health, it is possible for us to lead a wholesome life. Keeping ourselves happy and taking an interest in things, avoiding feelings of hatred, not to hate anybody, and envy, and doing what is necessary to maintain physical health help us to achieve this end. See students, if people of a society live a healthy and wholesome life, then what happens students? Social tensions also decrease and feelings of friendships can be nurtured. Tobacco consumptions. Names of tobacco products such as gutka, cigarettes, bidis, masheri, mawa, pan masala, etc. So see students are often heard. So all these are the name of tobacco products such as gutka, cigarettes, bidis, masheri, mawa, pan masala, etc. are often heard. We also see many people consuming tobacco in different way. All these are harmful for our health, and all these are students harmful for our health. At first, a person may chew tobacco casually at someone's urging, but this may lead to addictions. The person becomes dependent on tobacco and cannot give up the habits. So see students, what happened that at first a person may chew tobacco casually at someone urging, but this may lead to addictions. The person becomes dependent on tobacco and cannot give up the habit. That means it have the habit too. They can chew the tobacco. Okay. When people develop these habits, they become restless. If they do not get tobacco, they are not able to pay attention to anything else. So that means what happened that people develop this habit, and they become restless. If they are not get tobacco, so they can't do anything. So they are not able to pay attention to anything else. They have to have tobacco in the mouth all the time. So when the habit reaches this stage, it is called an addictions. And these types of habits when reaches students, that means when the habit reaches this stage, That means if they are not getting that thing, they are not doing anything. So it is called an addictions. People addicted to tobacco spit here and there all the time and make their surrounding dirty. And who are the people addicted to tobacco? They can spit here and there all the time and make their surrounding dirty. See that ill effects of tobacco addictions. Ulcers in the mouth. Ulcer means what, students? An ulcer is a sore areas on the outside or inside of your body which is very painful and may bleed an unpleasant poisonous substance. We can say the ulcer. So first point is ulcer in the mouth. Next point is the ulcer develop into bigger wounds. The person may develop tumor. So if it develop into bigger wounds, what happens, students? The person may develop tumor problems. A lot of time and money has to be spent on treatment. If the wounds do not heal, the person has serious problems. This can eventually lead to cancer. So see, students, that means a lot of time and money has to be spent on treatment. And if the wounds do not heal, then what happens that the person has serious problems. They can suffer by serious problems. This can eventually lead to cancer also. Tobacco entering the digestive organs leads to complaint related to them. The constant presence of tobacco in the digestive organs can causes cancer of any of those organs. That means what happens, students? When tobacco enters the digestive organs, leads to complaint related to them, and a constant presence of tobacco in the digestive organs that causes cancer of any of those organs. Next point, a person who develops cancer in this way has to take very painful treatment. Even after that, one cannot be sure that the cancer will be cured. And see, students, that means a person who develops cancer in this way has to take very painful treatment. And even after that, one cannot be sure that the cancer will be cured. Okay, so stop chewing the tobacco. It is very dangerous to your health. Okay. Drinking alcohol also has adverse effects on the body. That means while drinking the alcohol, that also has adverse effect on the body. Addictions to alcohol is called alcoholisms. That means, students, addictions to alcohol is called alcoholisms. First point, alcohol make a person drowsy and confused. One loses control over one's action. So it makes person drowsy and confused every time, and one loses control over one's action. Next point, alcoholism causes diseases of liver, intestines and urinary bladder. So because of who are drinking the alcohol, they are suffering causes disease. Which disease, students? That means disease of the liver, intestines and urinary bladder. Addictions to tobacco or alcohol are very bad habits. So see, students, addictions to tobacco or alcohol are both very bad habits. It is best to stay away from these vices. Never be negligent about health. Next point, the conditions of the addicts becomes pathetic and the addict's family too has to suffer with them. That means, students, the condition of the addicts, that means who are addicted by this alcohol or tobacco, becomes pathetic and the addict's family too has to suffer with them. There is no telling how much money will be required for treatment. Besides, everyone is to put great trouble and a lot of time and efforts are wasted. And the family get deprived of health and happiness and is ruined. And this way, students, the family get deprived of health and happiness and is ruined. We must be aware that an addict destroys the entire family, and that means we must have the knowledge that an addict, it will destroy the entire family. See, students, this stay away from these habits. Totally cancel or mark with pencil. No need to read this. Up to here, it is totally cancel. Drugs, tobacco, and alcohol use and invitations to death. That means, students, tobacco, drugs and alcohol produce a state of intoxications. Addictions to any of them eventually kills you. So if you have any addictions of in this tobacco, alcohol, then what happens that eventually it will kills you. Every person should be beware of the ill effects of these addictions and strictly stay away from them. So we have reference each and every person should be aware of the ill effects of these addictions and strictly stay away from them. There are people who lure others into smoking, drinking, or trying out drugs. On no account should be given in to their pressures. If a person start getting addicted to smoking or drinking or taking drugs, the help of counselor or doctor should be sought immediately to rid the person of the habits. So that means, students, if you see that anybody was addicted by these things, so on the spot you have to help the counselor or doctor should be sought immediately to rid the person of habits. One should eat regularly and take up sports and other hobbies. One should be firm in avoiding any addictions. So we have to, that means, eat one should eat regularly and take up sports and other hobbies. One should be firm in avoiding any addictions. See students, see that pursuing hobbies. Try this. All of us have certain habits. Some such habits are mentioned below. Put them into three groups: good habits, bad habits, and pointless habits. So it is activity based, so you have to do this. There are so many points are there, so you have to decide that which are the good habits, bad habits, and pointless habits. First point: informing your family members where you are going and when you will be back, so that is good habits. Second one: telling the truth, that is also good habits. Third point: fiddling with one's hair, a pencil, etc. all the time, that is pointless habits. Beating one's nails, that is bad habits. Making the school bag ready the night before, that is good habit. Frequently forgetting one's umbrella, raincoat, pencil, pen, etc., that is pointless habits. And last one is putting a limit on TV time and sticking to it, that is bad habits. So students, you have to decide that which one is good and bad. Okay, so use your brain power, that is today cancel, I mark with pencil, no need to read this. Always remember, learn to say no firmly in order to avoid bad habits. What we have learned in this chapter, students, just go through the point wise. First point: each person should put in efforts to maintain the community health. So each and every person should put in efforts to maintain the community health. Next one is, we must be alert with respect to matters of public health. Next point: wholesome living leads to good personal and social health. And last one is, one needs to be firm with oneself to avoid bad habits. See students, exercise. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Question number 2, true or false, correct the wrong statements. And question number 3, answer the following questions. See students, all these are assignment I am giving to you as your homework. You have to do this in your notebook and read this lesson twice, 2 times properly. I hope that you understood this lesson. Thank you.